And other dad. I have a very important question.
Of course, son. Ask anything.
Yes, my boy. I have all the answers you need.
I want to be rich and happy in the future. How do I do that?
Ah, excellent question. First, you must learn how to invest your money wisely.
No. First, you must dream big. If you believe, money will come.
Believing is good, but you need a plan. You must save money, invest in assets, and create multiple sources of income.
Saving money? That's for later. First, you must buy a lottery ticket. One big win and boom, you're rich.
But what if I don't win the lottery?
Then buy another ticket. Never give up.
Son, don't listen to him. Instead of spending money on lottery tickets, invest in real estate. Buy a house, rent it out, and make passive income.
Or you could enter a TV talent show, win $1 million, and become famous.
But I don't sing.
Then learn. I believe in you.
Or you could learn about the stock market. Invest in companies that grow over time. That's how real wealth is built.
Too slow. Why not start a YouTube channel? Become a star. Millions of views, and the money will flow.
But what if my videos don't go viral?
Then make funny cat videos. People love cat videos.
Tom, listen to me. Wealth comes from discipline, education, and smart decisions. Work hard, spend wisely, and always think ahead.
Wealth comes from luck, timing, and a little bit of magic.
So, should I invest or buy a lottery ticket?
Both. Play safe and risky at the same time.
No. That's not how it works. You must.
Wait. You two are confusing me. One says to work hard and invest, the other says to believe in luck. Which one is right?
Son, money is not about luck. It's about strategy. Start a business, learn new skills, and create value. That's how you become rich.
But what if he has bad luck? What if the business fails? That's why he should try everything. Tom, listen. Have you heard of get-rich-quick schemes?
Oh no, here we go again.
I found this amazing website that says, invest $100, and in 1 month, you get $10,000. It's a golden opportunity.
That's a scam.
No, it's an opportunity. They even have a WhatsApp group with 1,000 happy people.
It's definitely a scam.
Dad, did you already invest in it?
Maybe.
Okay, so no get-rich-quick schemes. What about saving money?
Oh, I know how to save money. Every time I go to a restaurant, I ask for extra napkins. Free napkins equals free tissues at home. Boom. Savings.
That is not the kind of saving I meant.
But technically, it is saving money.
See, he understands.
Son, real saving means putting money into your bank, investing in assets, and not wasting it on unnecessary things.
Exactly. That's why I never buy expensive clothes. This shirt, I've worn it for 10 years.
That's not saving, that's just never shopping.
Okay, okay. So, to be rich, I should work hard, invest, save wisely.
And buy lottery tickets.
No.
Okay, maybe just one?
So, what about happiness? How do I stay happy while becoming rich?
Happiness comes from doing what you love, having good relationships, and having financial security.
And eating delicious food. Food equals happiness.
Well, I mean, yes, but
And taking naps. Rich people don't nap enough. That's why they look so stressed.
I don't nap because I'm managing my investments.
And that's why you're tired all the time. Meanwhile, look at me, full of energy.
Okay, okay. I've learned something important today.
What is it?
I need both of your advice. Work hard, invest, save, but also enjoy life, eat good food, and maybe buy just one lottery ticket for fun.
That sounds reasonable.
Ha! He finally agrees with me.
Only about the food and fun part.
A win is a win.
All right, now who's paying for breakfast?
You should pay. It's good financial practice.
Or we could just run really fast and not pay.
No!
Just kidding. I'll pay from your wallet, Dad.
I should have invested in better kids.
See, I told you luck is important.
All right, all right. No running away from the bill. But seriously, what's the biggest mistake people make with money?
Oh, that's easy. The biggest mistake is spending more than you earn. Many people buy expensive things just to look rich, but then they end up in debt.
That's true. I see so many people buying fancy cars, but they have no money left for food. That's why I never buy a car.
Wait, but don't you take the bus every day because you don't have money for a car?
That's not the point. The point is I am saving money.
You're not saving if you don't have money to begin with.
Details, details.
So, I should avoid spending too much. What else?
Another mistake? Not investing early. If you start investing when you're young, your money grows over time. It's called compound interest.
Oh, I know how to make money grow too.
Really? How?
You take some money, put it under a tree, and wait for the money tree to grow.
Dad, that's not how it works.
Are you sure? Because one time, I lost a $10 bill in the garden, and later I found a $20 bill.
That was probably because you forgot you had another $10 in your pocket.
Or, the universe doubled my money.
This is why you're still poor.
And this is why I'm still happy.
Okay, okay. What about work? What's the best way to make money?
Find something you're good at, something people need, and something that makes you money. That's the golden formula.
Or, find a rich person and marry them. Easy money.
That is terrible advice.
But it works.
Okay, so I have 3 options. Work hard, invest smartly, or find a rich partner.
I vote for the rich partner.
I give up.
All right, let's test this. If I gave you both $1,000 right now, what would you do with it?
I'd invest it in stocks, or maybe start a small business. Let the money work for me.
Easy. I'd take a vacation. Enjoy life while I can.
That's why you're broke.
And that's why you're stressed.
Okay. So, I should invest, but also enjoy life a little. Balance is key.
Exactly. See? He finally understands me.
This is not what I meant.
Well, I've learned a lot today. Now, let's see who has money to pay for breakfast.
I only have my credit card.
I only have, 5 coins and a receipt for instant noodles.
I only have, oh no.
Oh,
Are you two seriously broke right now?
maybe.
I should have just eaten at home.
Good. Now we still have money for the lottery.
I am never bringing you two out again.
Thanks, Dad. This was a great breakfast.
Yes, thank you, my financially stable best friend.
I feel like I just paid for a seminar on how to waste money 101.
Okay, before we leave, one final question. What's the best piece of advice you can give me for becoming rich and happy?
Simple. Be disciplined with your money, invest wisely, and never stop learning.
And enjoy life. Eat good food, have fun, and never let money control your happiness.
So, work smart, invest, save money, but also enjoy life.
Exactly.
Yep. And don't forget the lottery ticket.
No!
Okay. No lottery.
Excuse me, sir. Your card was declined.
What?
Looks like someone is not so rich anymore.
Dad, you okay?
This must be a mistake. I have investments, properties, stocks.
But do you have cash?
No!
I guess I'm technically richer than you right now.
Oh no, so who's paying?
Not me. I only have 5 coins and my instant noodle receipt.
Guess we're washing dishes.
I can't believe this.
Life lesson, my boy, no matter how rich you are, always carry some cash.
Best financial advice ever.
So, do you guys need a mop or a sponge?